Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome in English class with me, Miss Murni. In this video, we are going to learn about past continuous tense, which also called past progressive tense. Past continuous tense is used quite often in English. So let's understand exactly when to use it and how to use it. Are you ready? Let's begin. So, when we want to talk about past in English, there are two basic tenses: simple past and past continuous tense. An example of simple past tense is I studied. And an example of past continuous tense is I was studying. So let's see the difference. We use simple past tense when we talk about things that happened in the past. And we use past continuous tense when we talk about things or actions that were happening or going on at the moment in the past. So let's see the example. Let's say we have a timeline and now it's 8 p.m. Okay? Now it's 8 o'clock in the evening, and before this we were studying English from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. So we will say I was studying English from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. I was studying here from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. It is a past continuous tense. Okay, now let's see how we form it. Here we have subject and then to be in the past and also verb plus ing. For example, I was studying, she was studying, he was studying, it was studying. So it changed a little bit. See here, you were studying, we were studying, and they were studying. So that's all the basic overview of past continuous tense. Okay, so that was a basic overview of past continuous tense. Okay, so let's take a look on when we use past continuous tense. We use past continuous tense when we talk about things that was continuing during a period. Let's take a look here. Hasmadina was studying all day. So the example, Hasmadina was studying all day. So where is the time period here? All day. And where is the past continuous tense? Here, was studying. Was studying is past continuous tense. Okay? Next, we can also use this tense when we talk about things that was continuing during a particular moment. For example, at 11 p.m., they were sleeping. At 11 p.m. they were sleeping. So where's the particular moment here? At 11 p.m. And where's the past continuous tense? Here, were sleeping. Okay, so when we would use this sentence? Okay, for example, I called my parents last night, but they didn't answer. I tried to call my mother and my father last night and they didn't answer. So my sister asked, what time? And I say, at 11 p.m. And my sister will say, oh, at 11 p.m. they were sleeping. Okay, like that. Next, we use past continuous tense when we talk about things that was continuing when it was interrupted by another action. For example, Abi was playing game when Rizky came to his house last night. I repeat it once more. Abi was playing game when Rizky came to his house last night. So please pay attention here. There are two tenses. First, past continuous tense, and here simple past tense. Was playing is past continuous tense. Okay. Next, we can also use past continuous tense when we want to talk about our plan. For example, Aditya was planning to play football. Aditya was planning to play football, but he didn't have a time. Was planning. It means Aditya think or Aditya want to play football, but he didn't have a time. So, was planning is past continuous tense. Okay, that's all time period when we can use past continuous tense.